accidents, breakdown, or just wear and tear. There are many ways your car can end up in bad shape. And when the damage is severe, that dreaded T word starts echoing in your head. Totaled. This raises a few questions. When is a car actually considered totaled? Does that mean totaled just because your airbags went off? And what happens after that? And what can you expect from scammers? I mean insurance companies. And if it is totaled, what's the best move from there? Before we move on beyond repair, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos about damaged cars. If you want to explore your options for a totaled car, visit carbrain.com and click the link down below. Carbrain buys damaged cars. Get that money for your totaled car. A car is considered totaled when repairing the vehicle costs more than what the vehicle is actually worth. But some states have their own rules for this. Like in California, if the damage is more than 75% of the car's value, it might be considered totaled. For example, if the vehicle is worth $15,000 and your repair estimate is $12,000, it's likely the vehicle is going to be considered totaled. Ancient myths say,
if the airbags go off, your car is automatically totaled.
But that's not true. Just because your airbags deploy, it doesn't mean your car is totaled. Once your car is considered totaled, this is what usually happens. The insurance companies check out the damage and decide how much your car is worth in its current condition. This is called actual cash value, which is just a fancy way of saying what your car would sell for in the current market. Sounds simple enough, right? But the process can actually take some time. You have to wait for someone to come out to inspect the car, file a claim, and then you go back and forth on payout. It can drag on. Sometimes the offer is lower than expected. What? If your car is totaled or damaged, you shouldn't have to deal with long, drawn-out process of inspection or low offers. Carbrain makes selling your car fast and simple, getting the cash you need without the hassle. No waiting and no drawn-out process. Just a quick, fair offer for your car. Go to carbrain.com and turn that totaled car into cash fast.
Thank you for thinking Carbrain. Subscribe to our Carbrain YouTube channel to stay updated on more damaged car videos. Sell your damaged car at carbrain.com.